Again?
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Utah County in northern Utah until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Ether Hollow burn scar. The approaching storm has a history of rainfall estimates approaching 1 inch in less than 30 minutes, and this heavy rainfall is just now reaching the burn scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the Ether Hollow burn scar will result in debris flow moving onto the East Mapleton bench areas near Quiet Meadows Lane, near 1600 South and 1900 East in Mapleton. Additionally, smaller flows are possible in Hobble Creek near Oak Grove Lane, in Mapleton and near the Whiting Campground. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springville and Mapleton. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry washes is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not
It's gonna cut out.
flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight.
Told you!